JINAN Sunrise CNC Machine Co. Ltd. has a dedicated staff of more than 100 employees. As a highly specialized manufacturer, we design, produce, and distribute specialized CNC machinery for purposes including drilling, punching, shearing, sawing, milling, and cutting. We are a high-tech enterprise that has successfully passed the ISO 9001-2008 certification. Over a dozen patents have been granted in recognition of our breakthroughs. We currently export to more than 30 countries worldwide. Utilized to punch, mark, and shear angle irons. Automatic material feed platform, automatic flip feed device. Marking units with 4 groups of characters to choose from. Automatic flip discharging device. The hooked out feed channel is ideal for small angle irons. Automatic flip discharging device, ideal for large angle irons. Automatic CNC lift style feed cart offers high precision and greater stability. The TAPM0707 feed channel features dual linear guides and ultra-precise wrap gears for enhanced accuracy and stability. The TBL1412A single-blade shear operates with great efficiency to save materials. The TBL0707 TAPM0707 comes with the latest automatic material feeding unit, which will reset to its default position after feeding. Primarily utilized for the drilling and marking of large-scale angle irons. Each side is equipped with 3 drills and outfitted with automatic water cooling units. Automatic marking. Utilized to punch oval holes in angle irons. Custom molds can satisfy the processing requirements of different punching diameters. Mainly used to notch angles on angle iron. The exact angle of the work platform can be freely adjusted. Ideal for the angle opening and closing of angle iron. Freely swept between multiple mold sets. Mainly used to drill holes in iron plates and tube plates. Equipped with 12 floating hydraulic clamps as well as automated equipment such as the water cooling unit and the chip conveyor, controlled via PLC programming, can automatically interpret files from AutoCAD and other types of lofting software. Can implement carbide drills for internally cooled high-speed hole drilling. Can implement high-speed twist drills for externally cooled hole drilling. Features the light milling function. Biger automatic lubrication system. Spanish Fagor CNC system. Automatic chip conveyor. Utilized for the punching and marking of steel plates. An additional drill head can be added to the machine, which includes punching molds and 1 marking mold. Utilized for the punching of large plates. Multiple molds can satisfy different punching diameter requirements. Marking mold can be added. Workpieces are handled by numerically controlled clamps and delivered automatically via a feed channel with dual linear guides. Utilized to drill holes in materials such as H-beams, box beams, and channel iron. The front, left, and right side of this instrument can be equipped with drilling heads. A max of 9 spindles can be attached, 3 on each side. This configuration can significantly reduce the time between drill changes. All electrical, hydraulic, mechanical, and pneumatic components are provided by internationally renowned brands. suitable for the shearing of materials such as the H-beam, channel iron, angle iron, and round steel. The onboard dual-language control interface is available with both Chinese and English fonts. The machine body rotates automatically. Longer